Alright guys, so as you can see, an unexpected delivery. We were not expecting this, although I had heard that Lionel had started doing their customer service and sending back packages to people that had sent things in to get repaired and stuff like that. So if you don't remember, this had gone in for a repair for the sound and lights, everything, and basically everything in the tender just shut down. Who knows why? Maybe soundboard issue, but we have it back now, so that should be fixed, and hopefully nothing else goes wrong. Knock on wood. So we're just gonna go ahead and unbox this for the third time. Here it goes. Try not to get too excited and stab myself. I was kind of joking when I said that this has been gone so long that I've forgotten I've had it. But obviously,
in typical
that is not the case.
Lionel fashion, in the first year of ownership, you'll have it less than they'll have it.
That's usually how it works. You got a envelope with probably what has been repaired.
A thank you letter. Thank you for continuing to solicit our service, even though that you've had to send this back 3 times.
And here we go. Here comes the hard part, is getting the box all in one piece.
What?
No, I'm just gonna take the lid off.
Yeah.
And then grab the box. The whole side of that box is broken. Okay.
Here.
Go. And perfect. Exactly as I planned. There we go. And let's do this. And in answer to your question, yes, this needs 4 pieces of track. Got the tender here. With all the water patches open. And place that in there. Hopefully it works. Rolls nice and smoothly. Okay. And let's get all this off before. Take it out. And in all its glory. Take the rest of the foam pieces out. And I think I got it all back. There we go. Get the drop plate up. Attach the tender. And there you have it. It's all in one piece.
Engine 3985.
3985 answering. Go ahead. Over.
Clear to pull down the house lead. Over.
Sounds good. 3985 out. At Green River. Our inspection's complete and we are ready to depart. Over.
You are clear through my limits. Over.
Thank you. Taking the signal. Out. Union Pacific 3985. We're tied down and marking off. Out.